Right, Pat, on to 3 pages for you. Student book 85, student book 86, and workbook page 70. So let's look at them. Now, the first one, student book 85, is all about our friend, the verb be. And remember, the verb be, we don't say be, we say is, am, or are. So, which one is it? Depends who we're talking about. If the subject, if what we're talking about is I, then we use the verb be, am, I am. If we're talking you, we use are. If the subject is he, she, or it, we use is. And if the subject is more than one person, then we use are. Okay? And let's just see how we do a question. If we're saying it is, to make a question, we put the verb be first, so the question becomes, is it? And if the question is it, the answer will always be yes or no. Yes, it is, or no, it is not. Don't forget, if you say no, you have to say not. If we're talking more than one person or more than one thing, and we're saying they are, then our question becomes, are they? And then the answer again will be yes or no. If it's yes, they are. If it's no, no, they are not. Or no, they aren't. Okay? So, let's use this on student book page 85. Okay? And let's look at first one. So, we've got 6 little animals here, and I want you to listen and write the answer. If it's one animal, we're going to say it. More than one, then we're going to say they. Okay, so number 1. Look at the dog. Is it running? Okay, one dog, it. So, is it running? So if you're going to say yes, you'll say yes it is. Or if it's not running, you would say no it is not. So number 1, look at the dog. Is it running? Number 2, look at the goat. One goat. Is it singing? Look at the goat. Is it singing? Number 3, look at the chick. Is it walking? Look at the chick. Is it walking? Number 4, we've got 2. So remember, we're going to have to look at they, aren't we, for 2 things. Number 4, look at the ducks. Are they jumping? Look at the ducks. Are they jumping? And then number 5, look at the horse. Is it swimming? Look at the horse. Is it swimming? And then the last one, number 6, look at the hens. Are they sleeping? Look at the hens. Are they sleeping? So your answers for these are going to be yes or no. If it's one animal, it. More than one, they. Okay, now that's the first page. Now let's go on to page 86. Page 86 asks you to use this word here, classify. Classify. Classify means put into the same class, or put the things that are the same together. To classify is put things that are the same together. So what have we got? We've got names of insects, we've got names of farm animals, and we've got names of fruits and vegetables. So, how many words have we got here? Let's look. Ant. So ant is an insect, so we would put ant in there. Okay? And then you've got to do the others. Butterfly, chick, cucumber, duck, goat, grasshopper, horse, ladybug, lime, onion, pea, peach, calf, and wasp. Okay, let's put them into there. So that is student book 86. Okay, and the last one, workbook 70, a little bit more on time that we looked at this week. Okay, so let's have a look. I want you to put on the fingers. So all of these are o'clock. So if it's o'clock, that means the big finger, the minutes finger, will be pointing up at 12. The small finger, which shows you the hours, will point to the number of the o'clock. So number one, look, 4 o'clock. So it's going to be like that, isn't it? The big finger at the top and the little finger pointing at number 4. Don't forget the minutes finger must be bigger than the hours finger. Okay, this one is bigger, is longer than this one. Okay, let's do the others. Okay, so let's have B. Number B. B, I want you to draw for me 5 o'clock. For this one, B, 5 o'clock. For C, 3 o'clock. For C, 3 o'clock. For D, 12 o'clock. For this one, 12 o'clock. For this one, E, 11 o'clock. This one, 11 o'clock. And the last one is 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Okay? Don't forget the big finger must be at the top and the little finger points to the hours. So, student book 85, 86 and workbook 70.